guys, let me introduce myself. My name is Elind. You can call me Maya. I'm from 11 Electronical Industry 2. I will promotion the item in electric soldering. Color is blue, model electric soldering. Soldering server to solder with length and remove IC or other small electric component. They are attached to the input console used by electric server. How to use a soldering. The first thing we do how to use a soldering iron is turn on the soldering iron or connecting the soldering to a power source. The effect of using a soldering iron is make it easier to connecting component. The first worth 30,000. Harganya 30.000. You can fit in the item the online shop or Lazada, Shopee, Bukalapak, and Tokopedia. Thank you. See you later.